Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get name the planet filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm talking about this one, name the planet. So to get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, go to your trending section. Remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for name the planet. Planet. Name the planets. Okay, the first one with 22.2k video. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the search or from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for name the planets filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not seeing the effects here, then what you can do, you can tap on any of this video. Let's tap on this one.
Name of planets Earth.
Okay, so on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you got the filter. So let's try it. Okay, the first one is Mars. Okay, Mars. No, not this one. This one, Earth. Earth. Okay. Oh, no, this is Jupiter. Okay. Saturn. Okay. Mars. Uranus. Why the creator put this one in last? Okay, anyway guys, this is the filter. Try this one.